O sige, sige. Okay, sir.
Reconciliation right now, ayaw.
Yeah, papayag sila, hindi.
Ano?
Papayag ka? Ha?
Reconciliation. Bakit? Ang gusto niya ng reconciliation, eh. Either one of you, parang lang. Ano sana, I wish na this is real and sincere reconciliation. Pero kung hindi, wala pa muna kami. Oh, shit.
Dapat ka yan. Baka labasan ka na mamaya.
Okay lang. June 25 naman tayo.
Tingnan natin.
So I guess nothing happened. It's a sign. So face off, face off, face off. That's what fighters do. They face off before they fight. After they sign the contract, they face off. Face off here, face off.
Good. Kailangan mo mag-jacket.
Up to you guys.
Nice one, guys.
Nababawasan buko rin sa
Stress ka. Kailangan mo jacket ka rin. You want the jacket also?
Actually, I'm sweating here.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
Picture.
Yeah, face off. You two face off first. No, face the cameras first.
Ito kasi yung mata ko. At mata ko rin. Pero pagkatapos ng laban, ito mawala mata rin.
And the cameras first.
Okay na mo ito. Tangina nung lahat.
Black shit. Kaya then, face off. Face off lang muna. Face off. Face off.
You are my fire, one desire.
Very exciting.
So, 25 guys.
Okay.
25.